Okay, here everybody. Backwards Professor here again, and what I'm doing here is I've started on a new project. It's a do-it-yourself guitar that I ordered from Exclusive Charms for $89.91. Along with the guitar, do-it-yourself guitar, because it's an inexpensive machine, an inexpensive guitar, I decided I wanted to give it the best chance of sounding good while I'm doing the build up from the beginning. So I bought a new nut, a bone nut, for $5.99. A set of Dean Markey cryogenically activated electric guitar strings for $4.29 from Guitar Center. Had best price on the internet. And because pickups make the guitar, and I know this has cheap pickups for $89, I picked myself up a set of Tex-Mex genuine Fender pickups. The total price on these was $80.27. So if I add everything up together, all I have to do, I've entered the numbers, I plus it and plus it and plus it one more time, and I've got $180 that I've outlaid in tax, shipping, everything. The shipping was free. That's why I got it from this company. I ordered it on Saturday the 15th. It was supposed to be here the 24th on the following Monday. It arrived on the 21st on Friday. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. See what we've got. Okay, we'll take the cover off. The first thing I notice, happy Pyle product. It's a PylePro guitar. And included, it's got a 1-year warranty. 30 days to fill it out. First thing I'm noticing, it's wrapped up, it's got a number 10 on the packaging. We'll take the body out. And I see that it has a 10 marked right here for the neck. So again, the most important part is going to be the neck. So let's take the neck out and take a look. And I didn't see any numbers on the packaging, but what I did see is there's a number 10 located right here on the neck. So we have a match. That's a good sign to begin with. Here's the rest of the hardware that came with it. Of course, we got our backing plate that goes on the back. We've got our trem bar, and we've got our jack to plug it in. This says it comes with everything you need. It comes with strings. Well, obviously, I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use a better set. They're kind of cheap. Here we got our bridge and our trem, our tremolo and our springs, and we've got our jack included. Looks like a fairly inexpensive bridge. I think it'll do the job. Doesn't look an awful lot different. Looks like a cast pot metal. We'll see how it works. And now we're on to, we've got the screws, a million screws in here, and we've got the plates to attach to the back, of course, of the neck. When we bolt everything together, that's in here. And of course, the most important thing, a part of any build-up, would be our tuners. And when I looked in the package, it looked like we had sealed tuners. And I'm looking here is sealed tuners. And they've already got the screw in it. Those screws have already been drilled to put the tuners into the neck. That's one less thing I'm going to have to worry about doing. The feel right now is pretty good. I don't feel an awful lot of backlash. There's a little bit. There's a little bit of play in here. Of course, these things are going to go on top and screw in. And that should probably take care of the play. There's not very much play there now. I think they're about a 14 or a 15 to 1 ratio. I'm going to put the guitar together with these to begin with. And of course, I'm giving it the best chance possible of sounding good with a good set of pickups, a good set of strings, and a real bone nut for sound. And if we have to upgrade the tuners at a later on date, I'll let you know. We're going to paint this. We're probably going to go with a crimson, maybe some gold included. Not quite sure yet. This is going to be my first one. I haven't even painted before. I've got some oil-based paints here, and I've got some chemicals. I've watched some videos, and this is kind of the stuff that I'm going to be using. And I'll give you some updates as we go along. I'm not expecting this to be done in a couple, 3 days. It's probably going to take me probably a week or two just on the body, just on sanding it and finishing it and making it look real pretty. And then we'll assemble the components. I think that should be the quick part. We also need to take care of the neck. It looks pretty straight. I'll have to get my measuring instruments on it, and then we'll make sure that the neck's in good shape. And pretty soon we'll be playing this instrument. Once again, the Backwards Professor here. I hope you enjoyed it, and you actually got to see me performing some math calculations on the calculator for a change. I didn't just, it's not just a prop. Well, it is just a prop. As always, got any questions? If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them. We'll be back. Bye.